welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to review a website that claims to pay people by clicking advertisement. The website is called Silverclix. I spent almost 12 hours analyzing the Silverclix website, reading review on the internet, getting feedback from the user on Trustpilot so I can give a honest review to my viewers. I have also written a full Silverclix review on my website. You can go and check it out for you to make an informed decision. Silverclix is the online advertising model in which advertisers pay each time a user click on one of their online ads. Silverclix is a middleman between advertisers and users. They have been in the operation since 2013 and they also operate other websites like Golden Clicks, Zigmacash and Backsquen. Before I continue, please like this video so it can reach as many people as possible and push the YouTube algorithm. By the way, if it's your first time to my channel, my name is Frank Chanda. I'm the owner of the wealthyacademy.com and I give tips and training on how to make money online. I also review other videos and programs that claim to make money online to help you avoid scam online. Therefore, you need to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification next to it. Whenever I upload a new video, you'll get my notification. You can also find all the links for everything that I mentioned in this video in the description box. Don't forget to check it out. Silverclix claims to pay people by clicking advertisement, which is the main earning opportunity on this website. This can be visiting a website for a few minutes and get paid, or clicking a short link and get paid. How much can you get paid by clicking those ads? Silverclix doesn't pay much. You can earn a penny just for clicking a advertisement and watch it for 30 seconds. They don't pay as much. You can also complete survey on Silverclix. The boring part is Silverclix is a middleman between those survey providers. I have seen websites like Survey Time that pay $1 per survey, but on Silverclix you're gonna get less than that. So if you want to complete survey on Silverclix, it's better you sign up with Survey Time and get the full dollar without sharing your earning with Silverclix, because they are middlemen. So whenever you complete survey in their platform, you're gonna share the earnings with them. There is also offer that you have to complete. There is offer like signing up with a website, downloading app, but you need to read the term and condition in order to get paid. Silverclix also have a referral program that can boost your earning. Every time we refer someone to sign up with Silverclix, whenever they become an active user, you can add a percentage of their earning. Referring people to Silverclix, I compare it to affiliate marketing. The money that you can earn to Silverclix by referring people to sign up with, if you use the same strategy and you sign up with an affiliate program and start referring people to the product that you are promoting, you can earn a lot of money than Silverclix. If you want to refer people to Silverclix, I would suggest you to start a affiliate marketing business where you can sign up with any affiliate program online and start referring people and earn a lot of money. You can make passive income with affiliate marketing. If you want to know how affiliate marketing will work, I'll put a link in the description so you can sign up with a platform that will teach you step by step on how to build your website and start referring people to different products and earn affiliate commission. How much can you earn with Silverclix? The earning opportunity in this platform is very small because Silverclix is a slow earning website that just pay penny for any activity that you do in this website. Again, I cannot tell you how much you can earn. It all depends on how active you are on this website, but I can tell you and guarantee you can earn less than $1 in this website. Whenever you reach a payment threshold on this website, you can request your payment via Perfect Money, Litecoin, Jcash, and CryptoCoin. So if you're interested in this earning opportunity, in this method of earnings, there is a other alternative to Silverclix that you can sign up and they pay via PayPal. Most of the people who are earning online, they will tell you the importance of getting paid via PayPal because it's stress-free. You can sign up with $10, survey time, and 1 cent and 1 cent they pay via PayPal. It's very, very important to get paid via PayPal because it's stress-free. In conclusion, Silverclix is a legit website that can pay you by clicking ads, taking survey, and completing some offer. But it's not the best way to earn money online. There's many opportunity online that can pay you a lot of money. Silverclix is a small earning platform that pay user really money just by completing small tasks online. So if you want to make a lot of money online, I would suggest you to start a affiliate marketing business. With affiliate marketing, you can make a lot of money just by referring other people different products online and build a stream of income online. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this and me helping you to make money online.